We're nearing the end of the 2006 bond projects with over $300 million in project work almost completed. All but one of the major projects will be completed this summer. That includes the new transportation center and central kitchen, as well as improvements to Elk Plains School of Choice and modernization of the exterior at Camas Prairie Elementary School.
We're on 16 different sites this summer. We're doing field improvements. We're doing play shed at Natchez Trail. We're re-roofing Graham Elementary School play shed.
Additionally, the state-funded phases of the Pierce County Skills Center will be completed next spring, and it's well underway, and you can see substantial progress already.
Phase 3 is going to house mainly the culinary arts program, and then the administration that's currently housed in the portables on the south side is going to be permanently officed into this building also. We're just starting on raising walls. The slab has all been poured. All of the underground utilities have been located, and conduit has been placed, ready for wire to start being pulled.
Welcome to the Child Nutrition and Transportation Campus. We're wrapping up the construction. We'll be open this fall for school. We have a cook-chill system. This is the heart of the operation here. It's something that Vicki and Lita and Food Services really wanted. It's approximately $500,000 worth of pieces of equipment. As you can see here, this is where the food will be cooked at. It's through a slow cooking process. It will lead us into what the new requirements are for child nutrition in the United States. So we're planning ahead doing those things. We have a large diesel generator that backs up not only the freezer coolers, but also helps for emergency power backup to run some computers and have our operation keep running while the power is down. We over-designed the busing area to accommodate future bus growth. Part of the issue at the old transportation center was we were on a 10-acre site. This is a 20-acre site. We literally, during the school year, had to have 60 buses parking off campus at people's homes. We provided ample room for growth over the next 20-25 years, so we don't have the issue with running out of spaces to put the buses and still keep them in our central facility. That's some of the features of the buildings here that I think positions the district to be kind of a leader in how we're going to serve meals to the kids and also in our transportation facility.
We're at Camas Prairie. Maintenance took on a summer job, re-siding and a new window replacement. The cedar siding that was on it was 26, 27 years old, weathered, and the windows, we had issues, leaking issues. Now on the back side of the school, we have 6 portables that we're getting painted and upgraded, and all new metal ramps. And on the backfields, we're upgrading the irrigation system and putting in new ball fields and reseeding and making a great field for the kids to play on.
Welcome to Elk Plains School of Choice, soon to be a K-8 school. Part of that process required some improvements to the school, and the first major change you'll see on the site is the site itself has been reconfigured. Anyone that's come to the school when school was starting in the morning, it was really hard to get in and out, so we're separating the bus drop-off and the parent drop-offs, very similar to what we've done at Nelson Elementary, Frederickson, the new elementary schools. The other portion of this project also includes the expansion of the Commons gym area. Took the old play shed, knocked out the wall behind there, and expanded to put a performing arts stage there. That entailed now to the right over here, building a new play shed, so that's going on. We're also bringing the bathrooms up to current code, along with the food service area out here. Was not very welcoming and very hard to serve the kids, and with a K-8, different format of serving kids, so we're expanding that. For us, summers are our most busiest time to get all this work done. We aim to get the jobs done and get the students in there and the staff in there and make it as pleasurable as possible for them.
We'd like to thank the voters for their support in funding these projects. Additionally, we'd like to thank everyone else for their support of the Operations Department in bringing these projects to fruition.